It's super bright, but you wouldn't know that it froze hard last night. We're at the Deseret Industries this morning, and then we're gonna go to Goodwill and then another Deseret Industries thrift store. And we are gonna try to do some speed thrifting. We're about 10 minutes late from when they opened today, but I think we're gonna be selective like we have been because we still have 9 boxes of stuff from England in the garage.
Let's see what we can resell for a profit. I like this Santa, $1.50. I'm always looking for cute Christmas stuff. All right, let's see what we've got. Last week I didn't buy any dishes, and I'm probably unlikely to buy any dishes this week unless there's something fantastic, because I got a lot of dishes from England and they are pretty awesome.
Oh man, look at that tall Christmas tree over there. That'd be great in the shop. I wonder how much they want for it. Let's go take a look. 8 feet? That's not 8 feet. This one's about 12, maybe 10. 60 bucks. It's lit. That's a good deal. Okay, little box. Oh, I love it. It's like the perfect crafting supplies. $3. Someone's burned something into this side, but that can easily be painted over or sanded off. We're moving away from fall and amber bottle season, but I'm gonna grab this one. That sticky could come off. I might leave that there. It's not old, but this ball jar back here with, well, it's a cur jar that's older. It's like wavy glass with a antique ball jar lid. They usually sell these for like 50 cents to $1. There's no price on it.
These are kind of fun. Home trends. Sometimes I buy more modern dishes if they're just like a style that I like. So I definitely like this canister set. This one's missing a lid, so I think I'm just gonna buy the 3 that have lids. They're like $4, $2, and I don't know what that one is, but probably somewhere in between. I wonder if I should just buy this one and somebody could use it like a utensil holder. I think I'm gonna grab this one too, and hopefully they'll give it to me as a discount because it's missing the lid. I think this goes with my Christmas teddy bear mug theme. Look how cute this is. It's only $1. I'm gonna grab this one for the shop. I kind of like this. I really like the hooks, the shape. It's only $1.50, and it would be cute painted. Let's see if there's any frames I can't live without. I found these, they're only $1 each, and I think they'd be cute to make little loaves of bread and wrap them up for Christmas. So I might just grab those for the house. I'm only seeing one of these. It's $4. I wish there were 2, but I think you can always just use one big one on one side for bookends. And then if I happen to find the other one, I'll buy that too, because I definitely can't leave that behind. That's a good one. I love anything horses, and they sell really well for us. Here's a little DIY. It looks like somebody was selling them at a boutique and they donated them. This one has a stain, which I think I could try to get out, but they'd be cute with flowers in them, and then I just need to clean them up a little bit. This is a good score, a bunch of vintage ornaments. The boxes are kind of toast, but they're all the same color, so I'm gonna pick up all of them and then maybe sell them as a big lot or individually, we'll see. Angel wings always sell well for us. This doesn't have a price on it, but I'm definitely gonna pick this up, as long as it's not more than like $1. We don't have any good flowers that I want here, but I'm gonna keep looking for flowers today because I want to be able to pair them with these cute little bee pockets. I thought, we don't sell these at the shop.
No, but they had a bunch back there, and if they work, I'm gonna get them for the boys, and Eliza running around town.
I will get 3 of them.
Yeah.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Zep's more of the bucket guy, but I love this bucket. It's like a really good, solid bucket with a nice heavy base, and it's only $2. I also really love this. It's $2, cleaned up. That's gonna be really cute for a jewelry display or for resale. So I told Zeb, if they all work well, we're only keeping the 3 that our kids want, and then some neighborhood kids are gonna go home with a new prize. We'll make sure their parents know we gave it to them and that it's okay, because I'm not keeping 6 scooters at our house. We do not have the room. Aw, you got me a cart. They still got Halloween up, so I'm not feeling bad that the shop still has a bunch of stuff for fall. I'm hoping to get there today or tomorrow, probably tomorrow with Zeb, and we're gonna really just kind of reorganize and reset. It's hard to keep all the things going all the time. See if there's any mugs here that I want. That's a cute little snowman mug. Not for $4, but it's cute. I'm not seeing anything. This is the cutest picture for $4. I don't know, it doesn't have a brand or anything, but it looks like stoneware and it's darling. Perfect for spring. And I know that we're coming up on Christmas, but you know me, I'm always buying a season ahead. Because if you wait till the actual season, the good stuff is gone. A joyous heart makes the loaves taste better. I've not seen that one before. I'm gonna grab this. This is actually really good for like Thanksgiving. That's such a cute little saying, and I like this particular false graph pattern. I'm just picky about what I buy.
So is this kind of like Duck Duck Goose, except for it's Bear Bear Moose? Oh look, those little gold birds are still there. My clock section has been taken over by sport helmets, but this is kind of fun. I wish it was like $2, not $4, but I'm gonna put it in the cart and think on it.
All right, so here's a chenille bedspread. I haven't found chenille in a while. Let's find the price tag and see what kind of condition that's in. So it's pretty good condition. It is $12.99, but these actually usually sell for like $80 to $100 depending on condition. This does have some holes, but I think I could at least ask like $69, so that's a good deal. These are the darlingest pillows. I found this one and then this one, but they're $5.99 each, which is way more than I'm gonna spend for like a 12 by 12 pillow. Last week I found some and they were $2.99, so I'm pretty sad about that. I wonder if they just marked it up because they're Christmas.
How much is this, and do I buy it purely for the cloche? Oh, it's plastic. $5.99. Now, if that was glass, that might be worth that, because cloches are expensive. I can't pass on this lantern. It needs a scrub. It's big, but it has all its glass in it, and it's only $4.99. Kind of like in this wood box. Okay, so it's for cutlery. All right, maybe take some of that felt out of there. How much do they want for it? $5.99. I think I'm gonna upcycle that. I think these are from Holland, not 100%. My mom had a pair of these when she went to Europe in high school. She bought them while she was with the band. But this wood bowl, let's talk about that. Oh, $9.99. If this rolling pin's less than $3, I'm gonna get it. Nope, I'm gonna leave it here. You have to have goals. If I was a golfer, I feel like $3.99 would be a steal. They got several bags of these golf balls up here. But I don't golf, so we're gonna leave them. What is even happening? $4.99 for this huge clock? $3.99 for this little one? I can't leave it here. It says Antiques 1870 London, and the rust on there looks good and real. I don't know about the rope. I might leave it because of the rope, but you could take that rope off and do something different. I was about to leave the bag wall area and I spied these hedgehog salt and pepper shakers. $2.99, they're awesome. Oh, how much are these little Ray Dunn plates? $1.99 each. They say peep on them. I think I'll grab them. Last thrift store of the day. It's Deseret Industries, and the car is not quite full. It is fuller than it would normally be because of 6 scooters. I'm hoping they all charge up and run, but we will see.
Let's go get some good junk. Looks like we're here just after the crowd. So it should be a chill shopping, or there might not be anything left.
See if they got it all before they reload.
So I'm here looking at dishes, and I found the most beautiful pattern. It's Cunningham and Pickett. This is one that you often see over Homer Laughlin pieces, and it looks like there's 6 plates. I'm gonna make sure there's no chips in them. And I'm gonna grab them because these are beautiful. I love the Tiffany blue and the floral.
They have got the trees in the yard today in all the yards. Look, a lot of these are sold already. Let's see, this one. These three on the end are already gone. Kind of like that. I think it's a print though, which is fine. I love prints. How much? It's only 20, but it's very big and they're hard to ship. So I'm gonna leave that there since it's not original. I made an initial pass and I don't have anything in my car yet. Well, we are striking out here. My cart is still empty. You have like 6 dishes.
I did my best.
She's gonna go look in the yard and see if there's anything I missed, and I'll peruse through here and see if there's anything that catches my eye. I'm not feeling hopeful. I'm feeling picky today. Although I did buy a giant clock. So watch for that coming.
So I'm here in the yards. I've already been out here. There's like a pear and a fish, but there's also this really cool bull. It says made in Italy on the back. And so it's probably hand painted. So I'm gonna grab this because I think it'd be cute in the kitchen. It's got kind of little feet almost on the bottom, so it could almost be like a trivet or something. Or you could tile it with stuff around it. This is cute. It's only $2 and it's got the punched out sides, which I like, so I'll grab this. I really like pears, so I'm gonna grab this. It doesn't have a price on it, but if it's not more than $1 or $2, I'll grab it and then I'll just repaint it 'cause the color's a little yucky. But the size and the subject matter is good.
Oh, the thing I was coming over to look at is sold. It's a big platter.
So I was shopping and I found this cute little bunny. She's got like a velvet outfit and I think she'd be perfect for Easter. So I'm gonna grab her. I'm always looking for things for the shop for the very next season. These are Holland molds. They're interesting. I haven't seen them before. I'm gonna grab them. They're only $3 each. Holland mold 1973.
Okay, only $28 there, but the car's still pretty full. And like I said, we got a lot of stuff from England that we're gonna be going through later today and getting that up.
So we just got home and this is definitely a queen size chenille quilt. So I'm super glad I picked it up. There are some imperfections on here. We've got maybe like what was some moth holes and then a rip there, but I think easily you could just trim this across the top, hem it, and then there's like one little hole there, but overall it's in really good condition. I love the pattern of the flowers on it, and vintage chenille is just really hard to find. All right, so here are the little pockets with flowers in them. This one has a little spot on the bottom of it. I'm gonna see if I can just like get that off with a little soap, but I think they display a lot cuter with flowers in them. Sometimes things need a little color to sell, but I love all this vintage lace and the little stenciling on there. Super cute. Now that my little bee pocket project is done, we're gonna move over here to our little pear. I've got gray skies, and I'm just gonna give it a coat of paint. You can buy DIY cottage colors in gray skies and a bunch of amazing other shades at jamirayvintage.com. It is a single step paint, so it has a built-in sealer, and all you have to do is make sure you stir it up really good. I shook it too much, so I've got some bubbles, but those will even out. Here it is with one coat of paint. So we're gonna let that dry, and I think just some white wax, and we'll be done. It's gonna look a lot like stone. And sometimes things just need a little tidying up. We got rid of all the scuffs, added some flowers, washed that stain off. It's still drying, but once it dries all the way, it'll almost not even be noticeable. And then I decided with the pear just to leave it gray skies because I think it looks like stone. So we'll just leave it as is.
So had a great time thrifting. Didn't find a ton of things, but I love what we did find today. And it's always the thrill of the hunt, looking for that bargain and those special little treasures that you just don't know because they're new every week.
Reselling for profit is always an adventure. We're gonna have England stuff listed as soon as this video goes live. So check out the England Finds collection. And then everything that we thrifted today will go up on Saturday's thrift haul, so you'll have to wait for that. If you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Vintage for more
DIY
and thrifting. We'll see you on the next episode.